Hey beauties, it's your girl Sil, and I'm back with another haul. This time I got a haul from Coach. So, oh, I'm shaking everything. Follow along with me, and let's see what I got myself. It was a rough year, but I was able to squeeze out a little something for my hard work. Okay. My mother be like, "You work too hard not to get what you want." I don't know where she get that from. I don't totally agree with that, but I did want this, and the bills were paid, but it don't look like everything is in here. Where's the rest of my stuff? Everything did not come. I have to come back, guys. Sorry. Hey, beauties. It's tomorrow, today. So I'm back. The other package came in. So let's get started. So this is the box that I got yesterday that I didn't want to open. So I got both boxes. Now, first, let me say this. I'm not usually into shoes or anything that has like the emblems all over it. I kind of think it takes away the value. But I saw somebody who had these shoes in Gucci, and I ain't got the Gucci money yet. So I'm still in the Coach category, honey. So I said, let me try them in Coach, right? Girl, I got them. I got me the Clog, boo. Yes, ain't they cute? I got the Clogs. So it's a neutral color I could wear with just about anything. And that was the box that came yesterday. This is a size 8. I bought my first pair of Coach shoes this summer. And they ran kind of big. So we'll see how these work. But let's see what else I got. Okay. Hopefully these two things match, because that was the point of me buying both. But we'll see. I'm sick of carrying big bags. You know, I started carrying a lot of bags when I had COVID or after COVID, because I had to have all kind of gadgets in my purse and a lot of things going on that I couldn't leave the house with. And then when I started working remote again, and it was just a lot. But I'm getting sick of these bags. I'm just getting sick of big bags. So I tried to get something small enough to keep my glasses, my gloss, my keys, my phone, a charger, something big enough to hold those things. So, wait a minute, y'all, wait a minute. So I got this bag, and hopefully it fits everything on it. And let me see if it goes with the shoes in it. Matchy. Y'all know I got to be coordinated. You know how your girl is. So I think I did pretty good. Okay, girl. You did that. You did that. It matched. You know, sometimes stuff don't be looking the same. And I think this is big enough to hold all of everything I just named. Gloss, phone, charger, glasses, glass case with my shades in them, keys. So I think it has an inside pocket right there for my little wallet, because I have my miniature wallet, has the little side pockets for some of the things I did. It'll have a longer strap. No strap? Ain't no way. Oh, no strap. Oh, because it's a shoulder bag. Duh. It's a shoulder bag. So no crossbody strap. And look at the bottom to protect it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So there you have it. Small shoulder bag. Big enough to hold everything I needed to hold. With the matching matching shoes. Hey, I can't wait to style it. Anyway, sorry for making you guys wait. Yesterday is tomorrow. Today is tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. See you next time.